8 400 400 400 याद कर लीजिए ये व्हाट्सएप नंबर, क्योंकि अब आपका मैथ, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो हर डाउट, हर क्वेश्चन का मिलेगा तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन, वो भी आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे। बस आपके व्हाट्सएप पे डाउट नट का 8 400 400 400 नंबर सेव करना है, उसका चैट ओपन कीजिए, फिर जो भी आपका डाउट है उस सवाल का फ़ोटो खींचना है, उसे क्रॉप करना है और 5 सेकेंड में उसका आपको वीडियो सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा। क्लास 6 to 12 IIT, जीट, नीट, CBSE और सभी स्टेट बोर्ड के बच्चों के लिए। तो देर किस बात की, अभी जाए और 8 400 400 400 पे अपना सवाल व्हाट्सएप कीजिए, आपके सभी डाउट आउट कीजिए। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। Hello everyone, today we are going to study English grammar, kinds of sentences. Okay, now in English grammar, a sentence may be defined as a sequential group of words that makes sense or conveys a meaning. As such, a sentence may be classified according to its form as follows. मतलब क्या, according to the way we speak, according to the question mark, full stop, commas we add, the sentences are divided into 4 parts. That is assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Okay, so in this, these two are very easy and to remember. Interrogative sentence means where we add a question mark at the end. Exclamatory means with this name only we understand there is an exclamation mark. Okay, so a sentence is divided into such a part in which the way we speak. Okay, now let's move on to the first one, that is assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is one that states, declares or asserts a fact or some information. They must end with a full stop. Alright, now what does this means? It means a simple sentence, common sentence जो हम लोग use करते हैं, that with a full stop. Suppose Aaron speaks 4 languages. Okay, a bad carpenter blames his tools. Diwali is a festival of light. India has unity in diversity. Jack will contact his aunt next week. मतलब this sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, it states, declares मतलब ये बताता है या डिक्लेयर करता है, और asserts a fact मतलब एक चीज को डिफाइन करता है in a complete and a simple sentence. That kind of sentence is said to be an assertive sentence. You can also say it as a simple sentence which ends with a full stop. Okay, remember the signs that I am showing you all children, then it becomes easy for you all to remember also. Simple sentence which states, declares or asserts a fact. Alright, it gives something information about, like Diwali, it informs it is a festival of light. Bad carpenter, he is blaming his tool. Okay, so it is defining something. वो सेंटेंस के बारे में ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, some information, more information has been given about that topic. That sentence is said to be an assertive sentence. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now the next is interrogative sentence. Now interrogative sentence, you must have heard this word also. Interrogative sentence means what? Interrogative sentence मतलब किसी को क्वेश्चन पूछना. पुलिस ने इंटरोगेट किया अ क्रिमिनल. ओके, सो वो क्रिमिनल को इंटरोगेट किया मतलब उसको क्वेश्चंस पूछे. गॉट इट? सो interrogative sentence means which ends with a question mark. So you will be able to understand and find it quickly when a question mark is added and when a teacher is asking what is a kind of sentence. So it is a kind of interrogative sentence because it is having a question mark. Okay, it is as simple as that. A sentence in which some information or confirmation is called an interrogative. A question mark must be placed at the end of the sentence. As I said, it is showed or denoted by a question mark. So it is very easy to remember. Few examples are: what is the meaning of this word? Have you seen a new train? Question mark. Why do you need so many pencils? Question mark. When will the program begin? Question mark. Can you speak Bengali? Question mark. Okay, so you will see what, have, why, when, can. and it is ended by a question mark. मतलब we are asking a question to someone and that is stated as interrogative sentence. Got it, children? It's very easy to remember. Now let's move on to the next one, which is an imperative sentence. A command, an order, an instruction, a request और a suggestion. मतलब जो सेंटेंस में ये सारे चीजें आती है, कमांड देना मतलब किसी को ऑर्डर देना, एन ऑर्डर मीन्स किसी को बताना, एन इंस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स वी आर इंस्ट्रक्टिंग, गो एंड स्टैंड आउटसाइड, मतलब ये क्या हो गया, इंस्ट्रक्शन. अ रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज हैंड ओवर दिस पेंसिल टू मी, वो रिक्वेस्ट हुआ, मतलब हम किसी को कुछ रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, दैट. एंड अ सजेशन, सजेशन मतलब किसी के बारे में सजेस्ट करना. आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू वॉच दैट वीडियो ऑफ मैथ्स, मतलब क्या हो गया, इट इज अ सजेस्टिव सेंटेंस. इज मेड बाय द वे एन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. सच सेंटेंसेस जनरली बिगिन विद अ वर्ब एंड एंड विद अ फुल स्टॉप. मतलब क्या हुआ, इट ऑलवेज स्टार्ट्स विथ अ verb. Now this is a noun, march is not a verb, but generally it begins with a verb and ends with a full stop. यहाँ पे नहीं है, but I will give you few examples in the job sheets or worksheets where you all can define all these imperative, interrogative, assertive and exclamatory sentences in briefly. Alright, so इसके क्या होता है, imperative sentences, it ends with a full stop and it generally begins with a verb and it shows a command, an order, instruction, request or a suggestion. So few example according to the things that they have mentioned, few examples are there. For a command, march forward. Okay, march forward मतलब जो commanders होते हैं, they do the march past, isn't it? So they are saying march forward, matlab they have to move forward, march past. All right, so it is not march, not a month. Okay, so this is a verb over here. Get up at once, this is an order. Got it? It is very simple and clear. Get up at once, your mummy must be saying this. Get up at once, teacher must be saying this. So it is an order. Read the passage carefully, this is an instruction. Your teacher must be saying it 101 times that read the passage carefully, matlab it is an instruction. Please fill in this form, whenever there is a please, it is a request. Okay, so it is very clearly understood. Let us order some coffee, it's a suggestion. Let us go to the park. Okay, so these are suggestive sentences. मतलब हम किसी को पूछ रहे हैं क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं, that means let us order some coffee. Should we order some coffee? No, it is not a suggestive suggested sentence, but let us order some coffee, it is a suggestive sentence. Okay, so these are imperative sentence and you all have to remember the sub orders that they have given us. Okay, it is very easy, children, to remember. You all can keep this screenshot for yourself so that it will be easy for you all to do the worksheets that I will be posting in the next video. Now, exclamatory sentence. Now, exclamatory sentence, as I said, it is from the name itself defines exclamation mark. Okay, so in this kind of statement, sudden and strong feeling such as surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness or gratitude are expressed. An exclamation mark is generally placed at the end of the sentence or after a exclamatory word. मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि at the end only the exclamation mark should come. जैसे यहाँ पे end पे है, पर यहाँ पे at the sentence or at the word. ओके, आफ्टर एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड, मतलब ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड है, उसके बाद में अगर लगता है दैट मीन्स इट इज एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, और इट कैन बी प्लेस्ड आफ्टर द सेंटेंस ऑल्सो. इन बोथ द केसेस it is an exclamatory sentence. It is very easy to remember and very easy to recognize also. If it is a question like find the kind of sentences, exclamatory mark होगा तो मतलब it is an exclamatory sentence, question mark होगा तो it is an interrogative sentence, Imperative and assertive sentences you all have to work it on, because assertive sentence simple होते हैं जो हमें किसी के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज देते हैं, बराबर. देन इंटरोगेटिव, क्वेश्चन मार्क. इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस वो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं जो किसी के बारे में कमांड, ऑर्डर, इंस्ट्रक्शन, रिक्वेस्ट और सजेशन देते हैं. एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, इट शोज एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड और एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी mark. Okay, which shows a sudden surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness or gratitude. Few examples are, what a shame. Okay, we lost the tournament. So exclamatory sentence, exclamatory word is this and a mark is over here. How cruel are the hands of fate. Wow, what a beautiful sense that was. Good heavens, how will we reach the theatre in such a traffic jam? Alas, the poor creature turned and closed his eyes forever. So this is a exclamatory word. In front of them only we have added the exclamatory mark. Got it? I hope this session is easy and helpful for you all. We are going to post all the grammar sections like kind of sentences, nouns, then whatever has been included in 8th standard or 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, we are going to prepare a post or a video on separate videos on grammar, so that everyone will be able to be recognize the kinds of sentences, then direct and indirect speech, and everything is going to be covered in the video, in the coming videos that we are going to post. So I hope this was an helpful session for you all. The worksheet of kinds of sentences part 1 will be posted soon. So do follow it and please let me know in the comment section whether you all have understood or no. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.